Hey there! Happy International Women's Day, and month for that matter. We all have some wonderful, inspiring women in our lives, and I'm no different, of course. I have lots of women that I look up to and am proud to know, and ones that I don't know that I want to know. So, and those two kind of begin with personally, Brene Brown is someone that I would love to know. I would love to have lunch with Brene Brown, and she's such a positive, real person, and I love her books and her messages, so she inspires me in daily life regularly. Professionally, I would say Kelly Wearstler, she's the queen, so wow, cocktails with Kelly would really do it for me. So that would be a definite check off the bucket list and a wonderfully inspiring experience to just hear how her creative brain works. So those two just really make a big difference for me and help me daily in things that I do personally and professionally. But on a regular basis, really, there are three women that just push it right over the edge. And those are the three women of Trademark Interior. So Brandy, Casey, and Kristen are super inspiring to me every day, and I'm proud to be here with them and to work with them. I love their positive attitudes and bright lights here and all the hard work that they do. So I'm sure you all agree. You all know how hard they work and what beautiful work they do here at Trademark Interiors. So happy International Women's Day to those three beauties, and I hope you guys all have a great day.